Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to vacuum seal some chicken thighs, which I purchased yesterday when I was grocery shopping. I just didn't feel like doing this when I got back. I was too tired. So these chicken thighs have been in the fridge ever since. So let's get started. I have 12 chicken thighs and they cost $17.67. Everything is getting so expensive, isn't it? Plug this in and get started. What we're going to do is we're just going to open up this package. Great. As you see, 12 chicken thighs. Let's get started. Yes, I could use a smaller bag. I think I've had some feedback on previous videos, but look, these bags aren't that expensive, and you know, I just want to get this done. I don't feel like cutting bags and sealing and all this kind of stuff. I actually do have rolls of FoodSaver bags, but look. This is how I'm doing it today. You know, if you want to cut the bags to be smaller, by all means, do that. Because it will save you money, right? Three bags of 4. We're just gonna move that into the sink. All right, let's get started. I am gonna take the gloves off, okay? When you're vacuum sealing, always insert the bag pattern side down, okay? And you wanna have it pointing in to this part here, okay? There, perfect. Let's close it, turn it on and press down. So simple, isn't it? As soon as your light goes off, it's vacuum sealed, okay? There, let's open it up. There, look at that. Okay, let's seal the other two. There you have it. 3 bags of 4 chicken thighs. Please let me know in the comments below if you use a FoodSaver. And maybe you want to let me know if you do all the cutting and sealing of rolls and stuff or larger bags. Anyway, thank you for watching.